What do I like most about my home? Everybody's just happy and relaxed up here, and this is what this home is. It's where we come together to become family and talk and cook meals together.
Make memories.
Make memories. So, I mean, it's a wonderful place for that.
You can sit here on a winter day, and with the design, I call it the snow globe effect. Like, there's times we sit here and we're just sitting with the fireplace going, looking out the window at the snow, and we go, this is like being inside a snow globe. And it's a comfortable home. It's easy to maintain. It's all the space that we need. And everybody that comes in here just raves about it. It makes our hearts happy that people come in our home and right away they feel warm and cozy. Almost everybody out there, you know, if we walk around, they stop us and they go like, your home is just beautiful. They're like, it's, you know, we just sit here and look at it and go, that's a really beautiful home. So
it's fun to live here.
Yeah.
Thank you, eLoghomes.